A leaked image just revealed something nobody expected. The Pixel 10 might charge magnetically with no case. If that's real, Google may have quietly built MagSafe style tech straight into the phone itself. And the way it's been exposed, through a single render that's got the entire tech world spiraling. But hold on, this leak doesn't stop at just one surprising twist. It basically confirms Google's next move toward building a full-blown Apple-style ecosystem, and for the first time, it actually looks cohesive. Welcome back, viewers. James here. If you love juicy leaks, wild tech surprises, and no fluff updates from someone who's just as obsessed with this stuff as you are, smash that like button. Share this with your fellow tech fans, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's coming next. Alright, let's break this down. So here's what just hit the internet. Official looking renders of the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, the Pixel Watch 4, Pro 2, and even a sleek new case designed specifically for the Pixel 10 Pro. And the renders, they're clean, high-res, and they come from one of the most trusted sources in the game. But the weirdest part is what wasn't included. There's no standard Pixel 10 shown here, and no sign of the rumored Pixel 10 Pro Fold either. That instantly raises eyebrows. Are these two phones being kept under wraps for a reason? Or is Google planning to stagger their release? But let's talk about the image that's got everyone buzzing. One render shows a Pixel 10 with a magnetic C2 charger snapped right onto the back, and there's no case in sight. That tiny detail changes everything. It means Google's new Pixel Snap system might not just be accessory-based. It could mean magnets built directly into the phone, just like MagSafe. Think wireless charging that just clicks into place, snap-on wallets, maybe even attachable batteries. If true, this would be the most Apple-like feature Google's ever added, and probably one of the most useful. And that's not even the whole story. The new Pixel Watch 4 sticks with the sleek obsidian finish, while the Pixel Buds Pro 2 show up in a softer gray tone called sterling. But the big theme here is color. Google seems obsessed with a new shade called Moonstone, basically a classy, light gray, and it's everywhere. The phones, the buds, the watch straps, even the cases. This might be Google's signature look for 2025. And while some people are loving the minimalist aesthetic, others are already begging for more color options. Where's the playful coral? The punchy blue? The pop of personality? Now here's where things get really interesting. Under the hood, the Pixel 10 series is expected to debut Google's first fully custom chips at the Tensor G5. This isn't a tweaked Samsung chip anymore. It's reportedly designed 100% in-house and built using TSMC's cutting-edge Thurn-M process. That's a massive leap, and if Google pulls it off, it means better performance, better battery life, and deeper AI smarts baked right into the hardware. We're talking real-time voice translation, better photo processing, and possibly smoother game performance than any Pixel before. Of course, none of this is confirmed yet. But if Google delivers even half of what's rumored, this could be a major turning point. And let's not forget the timing. Google's Made by Google event is officially locked in for August 20th, which is just weeks away, meaning we're about to get answers. Will the base Pixel 10 bring back those fun, youthful colors? Is there still a Pixel 10 Fold on the way? And more importantly, are we really getting MagSafe-style charging without needing a special case? Until then, this leak is one of the most exciting glimpses we've had into Google's strategy. More cohesive, more premium, and clearly more ambitious than last year. And with the Tensor G5 Pixel Snap and that all-Moonstone look, it kind of feels like Google's finally aiming to compete head-to-head with Apple, not just on software but on hardware too. So what do you think? Would you switch to a Pixel if it had proper magnetic charging and custom silicon? Or are you still waiting for something bigger to pull you in? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget, this is just the beginning. The full reveal is coming fast, and if these leaks are even halfway accurate, the Pixel 10 lineup might be the most interesting Android launch of the year.